GK. This is your lesson number 4, Music in India. In India, there are two categories of classical music, Hindustani classical in North India and Carnatic music in South India. Here are given some sentences and you have to choose the correct answers from the help box and to complete the sentence. The first one is, the dash is a musical instrument whose name means waves of water. And the answer is Jal Tarang. Jal Tarang consists of a set of ceramic or metal balls filled with water, and these balls 8 played string the edge of wooden sticks. It is a name given to an Arab fiddle, which is the earliest known board instrument and has commonly 2 or 3 strings. मीन्स यह एक बोर्ड इंस्ट्रूमेंट है जो कि एक अरब फिडल को दिया जाने वाला नाम है. एंड द आंसर इज रिबाब. एंड द नेक्स्ट इज, द डैश इज द म्यूजिकल इंस्ट्रूमेंट दैट लॉर्ड शिवा इज मोस्ट एसोसिएटेड विद. एंड डमरू इज द म्यूजिकल इंस्ट्रूमेंट विच इज एसोसिएटेड विद लॉर्ड शिवा and is said to be created by the Shiva to produce spiritual sounds by which the whole universe has been created. Saraswati, Rudra and Vichitra are types of the dash. Means these are related to Veena, and this instrument associated with the Saraswati, the goddess of learning and arts. The next is, Ustad Bismillah Khan was dash maestro. Here the maestro means performer of classical music, and he was the performers in Shehnai. The next is, dash is the name given to the opening notes of the North Indian classical music performance through which the singer introduces and develops of raga. And the answer is alap. Alap is sung in the beginning of the rag at the time of the performance, and this is also known as the vistar. Dash was the first Indian music reality show. The answer is Antakshari. The Antakshari word is made of 2 Sanskrit words, Ant and Akshar, and means start the game of the ending letter of any song. In fact, the game start with a song also. Shubha Mudgal is a well-known singer of dash music. It is Hindustani classical music, and she born into a musically dedicated family and trained by some of the finest musicians and musicologists in India. Dash means the sound of a single musical notes, and the answer is swara. The name swara means tones or self-shining in Sanskrit. Person born with name swara are with authority and power. And the last is, the dash is a popularly used in Hindustani music performances, and the answer is tabla. And the Zakir Hussain is a notable tabla player. There are different gharanas or houses of tabla. That's all of today, children. Thank you.